Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today's the video all about FEA lesson module 14 day 2 and topic name is early birds get the worm. Okay, today the topic this is the topic module 14 day 2 and in this module we are focusing the our competitive exam how to crack the exam we are focusing we are getting tips so we are focusing so let's go lesson objective. Before go lesson objective, we have to go today's vocabulary. Today's there are three vocabulary you have to use in class. If you are using in the class, so you can get a good points. You have to come daily punctual. Then also you will get the good points. So I hope your team is preparing good and okay. So there are first vocabulary is tap into. Tap into means take advantage of. Tap whenever we use tap into means take advantage of. Next one is the drill. Derail means to leave previous course. Like if you are you know doing any course, you have to leave the previous course. The direction. Okay, these are the things. It comes in the derail. Okay. Third one the mount. Mount is the gradually increase. To gradually increase. So three vocabularies there you have to use in class. So let's go the lesson objective. So people read first lesson objective. Understand the preparation towards competitive examination demands tapping the different type of motivation. So you have to understand while preparing while preparation doing preparation we need to different type of motivation you have to be understand while preparing the competitive exam. Okay, so we should take care now if we are getting the any motivation. So these are the motivation which is needed while preparing. Okay, let's go the next next lesson objective. Appreciate the role macro and micro plans will keep you on track the complete learning journey. So today you will get to know these plans. You have to today you will watch two videos. There there will be two videos and you will know what is the micro and micro plans. You will get to know because today in class there are two videos and you have to watch till the end. Next one is the appreciate. There is no time to waste and start preparation. The best time is now. You have to understand. Like some people are always saying that I have wasted my time. No, if you have there is any times you can prepare today as now is now. Okay, so you have to not waste your time. You have to start from now. Okay, let's go the fourth one. Learn to negative through life events can potentially dwell risk let plans bring back to on time. So you have to be like some people are in the and not in track. So you have to learn some life too. Today you will get some examination. Some tip you have to follow. Then you can back in on your life. Okay, so these are the things you have to focus with here. Set a baseline on your level preparation to benefit self-directed learning. Set a baseline on your level preparation benefit from the self-directed learning. You have to be make your baseline and you have to prepare. Then you can develop self-learning. So in today's class, you have to watch two videos and vocabulary you need to focus. There, today you have to give the discussion also. So these are the things you have to follow. Then you can communicate well, and you have to focus minimal pair. Everything you have to follow, and because you are going to be graduate after 20 days, after 20 days you are going to graduate. So you should follow all the things. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.